that we may be so fortunate to sit down safely as a family to enjoy this meal. Toby, do you have anything to add? Anything to be thankful for?
Thanks for abandoning my hopes and dreams since I was like 2.
Don't be such a loser. You're ruining Thanksgiving just like you ruin everything else.
I didn't ruin your perfect life, Sarah. Ow, I can't feel my fingers anymore. I'd tell you what I'm thankful for, but you wouldn't understand. I'm thankful for 17 shades of black mascara. I'm thankful for my ability to draw perfectly shaped tears. I'm thankful for internet chat rooms. I'm thankful for earphones that close off the world. I'm thankful for my deep-rooted emotions. I'm thankful for... What? We don't have mashed potatoes with dinner? I am not thankful for that. I am suffering here. Is there another potato shortage going on? I'm sure a lot of people were misunderstood during the potato famine. I wonder if the Irish were the first emos. Nah, I doubt it. Their red hair would probably clash too much with the black. Did they even have black clothes back then? Or was everything like brown? Whatever. They had it easy. They didn't have to deal with real hardships. Yeah, like suburbia. Like wanting to share your feelings. Like hating your parents but needing their approval at the same time. They didn't have to go to school knowing nobody understands them.
Stop thinking that.
What? You wouldn't even understand the deepness of my thoughts.
Gee, let me guess. You're thinking about how misunderstood you are.
I hate you. But I love you at the same time. You wouldn't understand. Thanks for nothing. Thank you for nothing.